Ako dapat nakakakain muna sa kanila, no? Si Zelda yan, si Zelda. Ay, nakakain. Ay, lalaki ba? Okay, si Zelda. Hindi yan.
Ay, masali yung may suko ka.
Malaki pala si Zelda. Okay. Okay, light folds. Ready?
Wait lang! Hindi marunong magbalat ng saging si Zen!
Sige, one.
Hindi ako matahinga! Ano ba?
Guide niyo ano, dun sa kakain.
Ready? Okay. Go na. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wait lang kuya ha. Wait lang.
Tapos na! Tapos na!
Si Edward at saka si Zen. Talagang first time yung dalawa. Mahina. Okay. Ang hindi daw makasunod, may consequence. She will have a drop of lemon on her tongue or on his tongue. Yes!
Ano ba?
Knees! Head! Shoulders! Head! Shoulders! Head! Knee! Head! Knee! Shoulders! Head! Knee! Head! Knee! Okay, are you guys ready? Hep hep! Hep hep! Knees! Okay, head, knees, shoulders, head, shoulders, head, 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 knees, knees, shoulders, ha! Okay. Okay, this is a trial only, okay? To clean the kitchen or ayan.
Hindi kayo magkakatabihan, magkalaban.
You're not partners. Magkalaban kayo. Unahan sa pagtambok ng cup. The one who got the cup first will be the winner.
Okay. Ay, baka naman magkaantong.
Okay, this will be trial. Okay, let's practice first. Okay. So when I say head, knees, shoulders, knees, shoulders, come. So the one.
Ay, matitingin ka na.
Are you guys ready? Ready! Okay.
Love my